How to assemble our dual monitor mount. Attach the clamp to the pole using the countersunk bolts, then tighten using the hex wrench until secure. Place the assembled clamp onto the edge of the desk as shown. Adjust the clamp height by turning the lower knob, then tighten until the clamp is firmly secured to the desk. For grommet mounting, remove the small bolt from the end of the clamp screw assembly, then remove the clamp knob and threaded rod from the clamp. Insert the threaded rod through the side hole of the clamp to convert it into a grommet mounting configuration. Place the pole over the desk grommet hole, then from underneath the desk insert the threaded rod through the hole and tighten until the clamp is securely fastened. Lower the decorative cover onto the base. Slide the collar onto the pole and adjust it to the desired height for either a stacked or side-by-side monitor setup. Then tighten the set screws using the hex wrenches until secure. Slide the arm base onto the pole so it rests on the lower collar, then tighten the set screw. Insert the lower arm into the arm base and secure it in place. Attach the spring arm onto the end of the lower arm, then tighten the set screw using the hex wrench. Repeat this process for the remaining arm assemblies. Select the appropriate size mounting bolts for your monitor's mounting holes and verify the length of the VESA bolt is not too long. Partially install the top two mounting bolts and washers into the upper VESA holes on the back of the monitor, leaving a small gap. Hang the monitor onto the VESA plate by aligning the top two mounting bolts with the slots on the plate and hooking it onto them. Install the lower mounting bolts through the bottom VESA holes. Tighten all bolts until secure. Do not over-tighten. If necessary, adjust the gas spring tension to balance your monitors. Position the monitor horizontally if it drops, increase tension if it rises, decrease tension. To adjust, lift the arm to access the tension bolt and use the provided hex wrench. Rotate counterclockwise or to the plus sign for heavier monitors, or clockwise to the minus sign for lighter ones until the arm stays in place. If necessary, adjust the monitor tilt using the side bolt. If the monitor droops or won't hold its angle, tighten the bolt. Route the monitor cables along the underside of the arms and secure them using the cable covers. Guide the cables down along the pole and secure them using the cable clip. Store the hex wrenches in the cable clip for future adjustments.